March 2, 2026 Morning News Summary, New York Time, covering 10 last night to 6 this morning. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, Fed Chair affirms data-dependent stance. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, in a late-night speech, emphasized the central bank remains data-dependent and is not yet confident inflation is sustainably moving toward 2%. He stated the policy rate is likely at its peak, but the timing of cuts remains uncertain, causing U.S. Treasury yields to edge higher. News 2, Eurozone inflation holds steady at 2.1%. Preliminary data shows Eurozone Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices, HICP, held at 2.1% year-on-year in February, slightly above the 2% forecast. Core inflation dipped to 2.5% from 2.7%. The stickiness reinforces the European Central Bank's cautious stance, with the euro gaining 0.3% against the dollar. News 3, Asian markets slide on China PMI disappointment. Major Asian stock indices fell after China's official manufacturing PMI for February came in at 49.1, remaining in contraction territory and missing expectations. The data fueled concerns over the pace of economic recovery, dragging down regional markets and commodity-linked currencies. News 4, OPEC Plus agrees to extend production cuts. OPEC Plus members agreed to extend their current voluntary oil output cuts of approximately 2.2 million barrels per day through the end of Q2 2026. The decision, aimed at stabilizing prices, provided modest support to Brent crude futures, which traded near $83.50 per barrel. News 5, UN Security Council to vote on Gaza aid resolution. The United Nations Security Council scheduled an emergency vote for later today on a new resolution demanding an immediate humanitarian ceasefire in Gaza and unimpeded aid delivery. Diplomatic tensions are high as members negotiate the final text. News 6, Japan's industrial production falls sharply. Japan's Ministry of Economy reported industrial output fell 7.5% month-on-month in January, far worse than the predicted 6% decline, marking the steepest drop since May 2020. The yen weakened past 151 per dollar on concerns over economic momentum. That's all for today's news. See you next time.